Okay, I installed my Irrigreen digital sprinkler head yesterday, and as you can see, it varies the spray by the distance in the yard. It goes right to the corner, and then it shortens its spray for the side. It's pretty fascinating. It was put together and invented by a inkjet printer engineer. It's called Irrigreen. They say that 60% of all household water usage is used outside, and that 60% of all outside water is either overspray or underspray. With the traditional sprinkler, you would have the sprinkler here. So you see the sprinkler there, my old sprinkler there, another one there, another one there, and another one there, and they all overlap. Now watch this. It turns off right at the desired point. It goes back into its hole. As you can see now, the little white head is still rotating, and it will turn back on once it makes its full revolution. And I'll do that 4 times, and it will spray both of these plants, then it will stop, and then it will start spraying up again. As you can see, a little bit of overspray. I wanted to make sure that my edges were good. But very interesting, very fascinated, and so far, very impressed.